Hi guys, tonight I'll be unboxing an Airpods Pro. So it says it's a Magsafe charging case. So ito po siya. I purchased this at Sports Check worth $329. When I went to the Apple store, there's no stock. So I went to Sports Check. Now unboxing. So what's inside of this? Let's see. Ta-da! Oh, what happened? So what's inside? All right. Designed by Apple in California. And this is it. Oh, there is a wire charger. Oh, it's not the common one. It's for same as for the MacBook. I guess it's type C. And this is the normal iPhone port, but other end is not a USB regular, but I guess it's a USB-C. And this is the Airpods. Oh, there are spare rubber. Spare rubbers. All right. It says pull down. Oh no. Okay. Now tear it down. Right. Extra rubbers. One, two, three, four. That's the extra rubbers. Let me open this one. Ta-da! Then, all right. So that's it. This is for this, maybe the right and the left. All right, this is the unboxing of the Airpods. I believe this is a Pro, Airpods Pro. Yeah, Airpods Pro with Magsafe charging case. So that's it, guys. Bye-bye.